Fellow citizens, Wednesday, the 6th of July, 2016, we are shutting Zimbabwe down. Wednesday, 6 July 2016, tiri kuvhara Zimbabwe. Wednesday, 6 July 2016, tina sesivalile Zimbabwe. We are closing, we are done. As citizens, we are staying away from work because government has not listened to us. They don't listen to us, they take us for fools. When we cry out and say, so we have decided to act. Citizens, I want to invite you to do something to save our country. Urumende government, please listen. We are doing this not because we hate Zimbabwe, but because we love this country. We love Zimbabwe too much to keep watching it burn, to keep watching it go down. So there shall be no violence, there shall be no marching, there will be no protesting mumatown or in the roads. Let's do this one thing together. On Wednesday, the 6th of July, 2016, we are staying at home. Every worker, Mushandi Wese, all children, school children are not going to school. Parents, I plead with you, do not take your children to school. High school students, don't go. This is your nation we are fighting for. Teachers, don't go. Civil servants, you have not been paid. Don't go to work on Wednesday, the 6th of July, 2016. This government needs to deal with corruption. This government needs to deal with the fact that you can't just introduce my laws. Bisai Mutemo Amakaisa, you arrested people at Bait Bridge, 17 people that you've arrested in Bait Bridge for protesting, but you can't arrest corrupt officials that are right in government offices. No, Taneta Najo, enough is enough. Enough is enough. This government, Urumende is not listening to us. So as citizens, on Wednesday, the 6th of July, Kumakombi, Musatakurevanu, Makombi, Garai Kumba, stay at home. You are not carrying anybody. There shall be no transport. There will be nobody. Right across Nikayese, Kubaku, Bulawayo, Bait Bridge, Victoria Falls, Chinoi, Gweru, Mutare, Rusape, Bindura, Mashingo, Gwanda, Mount Darwin, all the way, Kwekwe, Kadoma, Chegutu, we are shutting the whole thing down. Chivu, Chiredzi, do not go to work. Vanugarai Mudzimba, Wednesday, the 6th of July, 2016. Cherondika Sungwa Musaende Kumabasa. We want to make a point. This government needs to know that the citizens are the ones that gave them the power. So on Wednesday, let's carry this thing out. Spread this message to everyone. Video, itumira munu wese wauze kuti vanhu vawirirana. Kuti musuwo Wednesday, 6 July 2016, we are not going to work. Mavenda askwenda kubasa, makombe askufamba. Indians, your shops close. White people, your shops close. Black people, your shops close. Varai. Nobody goes to work on that day. You can't keep doing this to us. We're done with it, man.